and thank you for watching. So for today's video, I am going to do a review on my latest luxury bag, and it is the Louis Vuitton Cabas Zip. I unboxed this on my channel a little bit ago, and it's been a while, so I just wanted to tell you what I think about it. It is a really big bag. It's the monogram Eclipse, which is my favorite color. That collection is made for men. I don't care that it's for men because it's a bag. The style of a lot of the other bags with monogram Eclipse canvas, they're just not my style. So this I really liked because the buckle and all that. These buckles are everything. I think it's really pretty. I like the color of the hardware. I love the reverse monogram Eclipse. This little tag. You can't get this hot stamped because it's not leather. There's that little tag spot right here. I don't know what you'd put in there. I haven't done anything. I love that this part is reverse monogram. I do leave pillows in here. These are just from IKEA to keep the shape. Otherwise, it's actually fine without them. This is not a heavy bag. Like, you can so easily throw this over your arm. It's not heavy at all. My Givenchy Antigona is actually heavier than this. This is quite light, so it's really easy and it's not a hassle to bring around with you. It's so big, it makes me look small, but I really like it. I mean, I like when it's like more flat. I don't want to overstuff it if it's a purse, you know what I mean? Like, I'd prefer it to look like this. My opinion is this is so much cuter than the book tote by Dior or the Chanel Deauville tote. I just really like this one. It's not a trend piece. It won't look outdated because this hasn't been the hot thing. There's no wear on it at all. I literally throw this into my car after I stuff it. The inside looks just the same. This removable pocket I might actually use for something else. Is this not so cute? I just really like this color and all that. But I mean, you could use this as a makeup bag if you wanted. I think it looks good with all my outfits. My entire closet is this color scheme, so I love that. No scratches on the zipper, nothing at all. The zipper actually is a strong zipper, but it's not flimsy and cheap, but it's not difficult, you know, to use. Use this as an overnight bag, use this as a diaper bag, use this as a dog bag, a purse, a tote, book bag. Personally like this so much better than the regular monogram, and the color scheme, it just makes me really happy. I still have the tag on my cowl pack because we haven't gone anywhere, but when we do, I'm ready. I like to travel with a scarf because sometimes it gets cold, sometimes it doesn't. Just looks nice. I don't picture wearing this with anything formal, so I'm just going very, very casual with these outfits. But it's so cute and it's so understated. It's not in your face, even though it's all logo. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I really like this. It was definitely worth the money. It's a lot of bag for your buck, and it looks really nice in photos, and it looks really nice in my closet, and it's like really easy to grab and just throw everything in it. It's just a perfect tote. I have the unboxing on my channel. I have other luxury videos, some affordable luxury too. So feel free to tune in to any other video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.